In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Clickup for personal use. Clickup is an incredibly versatile tool designed to help you stay organized, boost your productivity, and manage your tasks effectively. Whether you're managing your time, setting goals, or planning a personal project, Clickup can adapt to your needs. So let's dive right in. To start, open your preferred web browser and go to the Clickup website. Once you are there, you'll want to locate the login button prominently displayed on the home page. Click on that and you'll be directed to the login page where you can sign in using your Google account. If you're not already signed into Google, you'll need to enter your credentials here, which makes the process super quick and convenient. Now that you've signed into ClickUp, you'll see your dashboard. This is your central hub where you'll create and manage your tasks and projects. Look for the plus icon on the left sidebar to add new spaces, which are essentially categories or projects that you can organize your tasks under. Click on that icon and you're on your way to setting up your first personal space. One of the great features of ClickUp is its templates. After clicking the plus icon, you'll want to select Use Templates. This option makes it easy to start without having to build everything from scratch. Simply type Personal into the search bar and select the Personal Productivity template. This template is tailored for individual use and perfect for managing your personal tasks and projects. Once you've selected the Personal Productivity template, click on Use Template. At this point, you'll have the opportunity to rename your space so it reflects its specific purpose, whether it's for managing daily tasks, planning a vacation, or tracking a fitness routine. After you've renamed your space, hit Use Template once more to finalize and create your customized space. You're now ready to use this template to organize your tasks and projects. For an added layer of customization, go to the top right corner of your newly created space, where you'll find three dots. Click on this to access additional options such as renaming your lists or spaces as needed. If you want to keep certain spaces or tasks private, it's as simple as toggling a switch. Look for the Make Private button and turn it on to ensure that only you can access this space. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on using ClickUp for personal use. With these basic skills, you can start exploring ClickUp's other features to further tailor it to your unique needs. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.